Hi guys, I'm showing today the 2014 Hilux 4x4. The ABS is light on, and there was a cord, the left hand side rear speed field sensor. So you can see it, the ABS light on, the traction control is light on. Yeah, we need to find for the problem. I found the wire broken in the ABS sensor rear left hand side. Then I joined the wire together and I cut off the oil connector and I put the new wire in and put new plugs. Now problem is fixed. Okay, now all good. Now fix the wiring problem. Now have to go start the car. See, all the cord is gone. No ABS light, no vehicle stability control light. All good. Thanks for watching.